Hey there, do you want to set up Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager with your Ecwid by Lightspeed CMS, that website? So this video is for you. This is Jobair Mahmud, a data-driven digital marketing expert and web analytics expert and top-rated seller in Upwork. So in today's video, I will be guide you that method step by step. This channel is exist to make your web analytics journey smoother and set up your tracking everything in your website to help to grow your business. So without any further delay, let's get started. And thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel. In recently I have crossed 100 subscriber into the channel. That's great achievement for me. Thank you for being supportive with my channel. So this is my Ecwid control panel. It's Ecwid by Lightspeed. It's a CMS like Shopify, and we are in here in the control panel. And here you can see the app market option. If you don't have any app, you can go into the app market, this option. You can search the Google Tag Manager in here. You can learn from Google Tag Manager in here. You can add it. You can see taggers, server-side tracking, app is there already there. This is the Google Tag Manager app. I have already installed it, that's why it's showing like this. You will see the install app. It's free without any charge. You will install this, and then after that installing, you will see an interface like this, open app. After that, click the app, and our app will be opening. And here you can see interface like this. This is some instruction, tag instruction, so we'll be read that later. And connect your Google Tag Manager. You can connect it. You will go your Google Tag Manager account. This is my test GTM account. This is my Google Tag Manager ID. So after that, Google Tag Manager, this is the code. It over there, your code container ID, and just enable it. You can enable it and save container ID. It will be saved. And if I go into my Google Tag Manager, right now Google Tag Manager is connected. How can we ensure our Google Tag Manager is connected properly or not? We will just preview it, Ecwid website, and after opening this one, we'll see our tag assistant is connected. We have added data layer and the other thing that's for advanced tracking. We'll cover it in later video. So this is our Google Tag Manager. You can see view item list, and the other thing, the item price, item array is coming up in here. You can track the value, everything in here. So that's the thing. And if you want to set up Google Analytics 4, one more small thing, this video is sponsored by Growth Academy. Growth Academy is the learning hub for the web analytics expert who want to grow their web analytics career. If you want to join Growth Academy, I will leave the instruction in the comment below or description. You can have a look on the Growth Academy. So we can track our Google Tag Manager. If you want to set up your Google Analytics, you can place your Google Analytics tag in here. Analytics based tag is Google tag basically. So you can have a ID like G1234, something like that, and key tag. You can just place it all the page. This is for the example. You have the GA4 ID in here. You just place it here, and if you want to send it in here, you can send page view true, and then you can just save it, and you can just publish it. If you check a purchase in here, buy now a small product, we have done a purchase. You can see that our purchase event is coming into our test GTM account preview. You can see our data layer is there. our data layer is working good, very good. So that you can pull up dynamic value, item ID, price, quantity, variant, this kind of thing, information from your business to help your business to grow. So we have covered everything step by step into this video. So that's all for today's video. I have already shown you that how you can enable your Google Tag Manager and your GA4 with Ecwid by Lightspeed CMS, that website. And I will be making more and more video in upcoming days with different CMS. And so till then, take care, goodbye and tata.